Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching TubeMate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate metadata in your Shopify store theme. So there is a possibility your theme doesn't generate metadata for Facebook Shop or Open Graph metadata, and then JSON-LD metadata for your products and catalog. So basically in this video, I'm going to show you how you can write code. Basically, I will go over the lines of code. There are almost 25 to 30 lines of code that will help you write Open Graph for your product, which is basically Facebook metadata and Twitter. Sorry, not Twitter, Pinterest. And then we have JSON-LD, which is widely supported by search engines. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, so the other thing you can do before you start coding, you want to go ahead and take basically product link, okay, from your store, and then go ahead and check whether your theme is generating product microdata. So you can see there are two types of product data that is being generated. Okay, and this is one type, and then we also have another type. But basically what we are looking for JSON-LD, which is widely supported by search engines, and then we are looking for open graph data as well. So open graph microdata, which is natively supported by Facebook and Pinterest. So this is what you have. Also with Instagram. So let me go ahead and show you how you can write this code in your Shopify theme. There are old themes that do not generate these data. This is why I'm making this video, to help lots of people around. So go ahead and log into your Shopify theme, and then basically what you need to do, I'll go ahead and show you how you can start putting the code in your theme to dynamically generate Open Graph and JSON-LD product schema markup on every product page. So I'm assuming that you already logged into your admin area, and then under themes, let me just refresh it. So under online store, you simply go to themes, and from here you simply have to go to these actions and edit code, and under layouts you go to theme.liquid. Okay, and you'll see you got this HTML5 doc type, then HTML opening tag, then you have head tag. In this code, you basically start coding now. In this head tag, you can start this writing open graph data if your system, your Shopify theme does not generate it. Okay, so this is the code. Let me go ahead and go over the code. Okay, so this code, you will have to write it. So just pause the video and write the code. Also, if you're going to watch this video after a long time, there is a possibility Shopify will change some of the endpoints. Basically, these are endpoints, okay? Title, description. So you simply write this OG title, description, URL is going to be canonical URL, image, which is going to be image URL of this size, brand name, it could be anything. Product like vendor, whatever you have available in your product. Availability in stock, condition new, price amount. This is to make sure that it doesn't give display like $10.00, so it start displaying $1,000. So you want to make sure it displays $10. And then USD, you can change this, okay? Content depending on your US currency. Okay, so that's basically microdata for Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram. So this is open graph for your product, specific product. If your system, your Shopify theme does not generate this JSON-LD, which is supported by search engines like Google and Google Shopping as well, you definitely want to go ahead and write this code from here till here. So this is under head again, liquid.theme head section. So JSON-LD and then these line of code. So context schema.org is product type. So we are going to generate product type schema markup. You can add a lot more things here, okay, depending on what data you have on your Shopify product page, and then you can go ahead and take everything from here. So schema, let's say products. So here we go. Depending on what kind of products you have, go on the JSON-LD, and you can take everything. So review, author, depending on what type of product you have. Aggregation, which is basically rating. So these data must be available on your products. Otherwise, it may throw an error. And there is a minimal thing here. You definitely want to add this aggregation if as soon as you start getting reviews. Okay. All right. So that's schema.org/product. You can go get more metadata types from here and add it to as soon as you start getting more content generated by yourself and your customers. So simply go ahead and pause the video, whatever you need, and just write the code for yourself. Yeah, so that's all we have here. That's open graph from here till here. Then we have JSON-LD. In case your Shopify theme doesn't generate, you can use these. Once you have added, simply go ahead and save it. And once you save, Shopify will go ahead and clear the cache, which is browsing cache and Syrian cache. And then you can go ahead and test your page once again with these two schema markup validators. One is by Google. So there is a link scheme search. The link is search.google.com/test/rich-results. That's the first. Let me increase the font size here so you can see it. And that's the first one. The second one is this one. Okay, so that's the second one, validator.schema.org. And once you are there, simply go ahead and paste your particular product from your store. Try few products. This validator tool. This, and so you'll see there are two products. Basically, I'm generating twice. So it's not pulling the open graph, it's just pulling JSON-LD. Okay. Open graph is read by Facebook. So as soon as you connect your Shopify with Facebook page, start syncing your products to your Facebook page, so they will start kind of verifying data with this open graph site name, open graph URL, title for each product. Okay, so this will be very helpful for Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest, and this is going to be for search engines and Google Shopping. I'm just regenerating this JSON-LD to demonstrate. You should just get one, okay? One of this one here and one like this. You will have to manually check whether it's being generated or not. There are tools that can help you validate or view kind of in a better way. So simply go ahead and Google validate open graph metadata. So there are, let's see, open graph preview social media share, and let's see if this, not this one, this product. So you can see it's working on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Discord. So metadata, these are the metadata you have. Okay, this is awesome. This is generating and it's working perfectly fine. So it works on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Discord. So you can see this is awesome. You can go ahead and validate your open graph and your JSON-LD microdata using these tools. I'll hopefully leave this link in the description. Let's see. So it's opengraph.xyz. That's the another validator that you want. Go ahead and validate your code, your metadata with. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. I'll try to answer them ASAP. Thanks again. Bye.